Good morning, and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning, and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and I'm here with Fitz, Dr. Joe Gillespie, and Dr. Jared Shatkin.
Good morning.
I'm really proud that Dr. Jared Shatkin's joined my practice. He finished his residency, got his license a few weeks ago, and he's already doing a ton of mini implants in our office here in Buffalo. But we're here at our big training course here in Buffalo. We've got about 40 doctors from all over the country that joined us for this weekend, and we're just thrilled to be here with everybody.
Yeah, and I tell you what, we're excited. You had some great surgeries today and yesterday. What did you do today? A roundhouse?
Today I did a lower roundhouse and took impressions for the final on the upper roundhouse.
Okay, wonderful.
Yesterday we did a few single teeth. We did a couple a molar on Dr. Thomas Baggett, who's here from Louisiana. We're happy to have him here with us. We've got I did another couple single teeth on Jim Brzezinski, our denture lab guy.
You did, and he's doing great today. He called me this morning.
He's doing okay?
He's doing fine, absolutely phenomenal. But
awesome.
Yeah, he was telling me how great it was that he now has two lower teeth that he didn't have on Thursday. So it was done easy. Yeah. And Dr. Joe, how you doing, buddy?
Man, it's been a great course. I want to remind everybody, I know October we're going to have that little hiatus, but the advanced course is coming up in November. Certainly want to draw the crowd back up here. We've got a bunch of our new dentists that have learned a ton over the last 2 days that are coming back up. You know what a great course that is. We get all of the advanced users in, people that have been doing implants forever, and tons of multiple lectures. So you're going to get all the different angles, different opinions, and really have some sweet pearls out of the advanced course. It's something not to miss in November.
And let's not forget Dr. Sam Shatkin Jr. will be doing the Botox training on the third day if you want to learn about Botox, especially for bruxing patients to prevent TMJ and bruxing problems, and also to protect the dental implants and the dental work that you work so hard to put in their mouth. They got to stop their grinding. So, Jared, tell the group what you think about mini implants in your practice so far.
I like them.
You just did a great
Yeah, I think it's a great way for you to build your practice and a good way to make your patients happy in a short period of time.
Yeah, it really is. And you did a great presentation today, Jared, on your upper and lower roundhouses that you've done in your residency program. And we're just really happy for you, and congratulations on getting your New York State dental license and starting your career off here at the Aesthetic Associate Center.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Yeah, that's excellent.
Thank you. I love you, Jared.
All righty. Joey, thank you very much for all the hard work. Jared, great job. Todd, thank you, buddy. And
We'll see you next time on the Monday Morning Minute.
you got it. Have a great week.